Welcome! In this lesson, we'll begin a fun and practical customer churn project. Let's dive in and see how we can use Python to predict which customers will leave. Running the cell now. First, let's suppress any warning messages to keep the output clean. Next, we import the pandas library, which we'll use to handle data. Import numpy as np. We set the random seed to 42 for reproducibility. Now, we start creating a small dataset using a pandas data frame. Here, we add an age column with example ages of customers. Then, we add a churn column indicating if the customer has left 1 or stayed 0. We finish creating the data frame and close the definition. Finally, we print the dataset to see its contents. Running the cell now. Here, we created a small dataset with customer ages and whether they churned 1 or stayed 0. Notice how this simple table sets up our target variable, churn, which is key for training our prediction model. Now, let's scale the age feature. We use standard scaler to normalize values. Here's how our scaled ages look. Running the cell now. Here you can see how the original age values are transformed into age_scaled with a mean of 0 and standard deviation of 1. This standardization helps our model treat age fairly by putting numbers on the same scale for better churn prediction. Let's see those scaled ages as a quick bar chart. Great job, visualizing helps us spot patterns fast. Running the cell now. Here we plotted the scaled ages of customers to visualize their distribution across the dataset, noticing this helps us understand the age range the model will use as a feature to predict churn. The bar chart confirms that age has been normalized, ensuring it contributes fairly in the classification model.